Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video, and we have some good news for those of you who are affected by the camera lens on your Google Pixel 7 and the Google Pixel 7 Pro cracking randomly, shattering on its own. Now, previously Google would deny this warranty claim to users, but of recent, people who have contacted them again after 3 or 4 months, they have been approved of the warranty claim. So all you have to do is try and contact the Google customer care one more time, not to give up, because I'm pretty sure your Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro are still under warranty, and this issue of the rear camera lens shattering on its own is pretty disappointing. So if you have been affected by this issue and previously your warranty claim was denied, they wanted you to fix it on your own, go ahead and contact Google one more time and see if this time around they fix it for free. There have been a few posts on Reddit wherein people have contacted them after 3 or 4 months and the warranty claim was approved. It looks like all the negative media coverage and all the bad press is making Google do things which they don't want to do. And in this case, that is a free replacement for the camera lens on your Google Pixel 7 and the Google Pixel 7 Pro breaking and shattering randomly on its own. Of course, if it doesn't work for you, then tough luck, but I would just keep on trying. Now, whether this works for you, whether this does not work for you, Google approves your warranty claim for free, Google does not approve your warranty claim for free, do let us know in the comments on this video so that it is helpful to others who are in the same situation as you and are going through the comments on the video.